Hey everyone, I wanted to do a tip around cooking a turkey since Thanksgiving is this week. It's hard to connect to turkey and technology, but I wanted to remind everyone that if you're going to be cooking this weekend, you can ask Siri to set different timers for you. So you can do things like, hey Siri, set a timer for 2 hours for the turkey, and then hey Siri, set a different timer for 3 hours for the mashed potatoes. So you can have multiple timers going at the same time. And then also keep in mind, you can use things like ChatGPT for recipes. So if you want to know the best way to cook a turkey or what the most popular way is, or what type of mixtures you can do, different substitutes if you have food allergies, ChatGPT is a great resource for that as well. I hope you guys all have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a very happy holiday to everyone. Safe travels for all those who are traveling. And as always, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you guys next week.